In this lecture, I will discuss about monolithic approach to develop an application. So to understand Kubernetes, let me take you 10 to 15 years back and see how the application industry works. So at that time, they use monolithic approach to develop the application. So here mono means single, lithic means stone. So it means they develop the entire application on a single code and executing it on a single server. So it means the developers, they write a single code for the entire application and deployed it on the server. So that was an old approach to develop an application. So to understand this, I have taken a simple example of Facebook. Suppose your developers is designing a code for the Facebook using the monolithic approach. So first of all, they will understand what all the features you are going to put for this application. So here we have all the features like login, newsfeed, story, post, friend list, block list, Facebook ad, Facebook page, etc. If you are going to open the Facebook account, you will see all those features, even more features as well. Now, your developer first will choose what language they are going to use to develop this application, which is having number of features. Suppose they have chosen Java language. So what will happen here? Your developer first will write the code for the login of your Facebook, and then it will write the code for the news feed, story, post, friend list. Like this way, your developer will write a single code for all the features of your application. And then you can see after writing the code, they will create a var file because the code has been written in Java language. So var is the artifact, a single file. Then it is going to deploy to the server, and that server is connected with a DB server. So here you can see we have one single server which is attached with a single DB who is managing all the features of the Facebook application. So this is the monolithic approach to develop an application, which is having number of drawbacks. So let me discuss all the drawbacks one by one. Suppose there is a requirement for the post feature that you want to scale up the server for this post, because we know that the most usable item of the Facebook is post. Now your requirement is that you want to scale up, or you want a dedicated server for the post feature of the Facebook. You want to have a dedicated DB for that. But with monolithic approach, it is not possible. Scaling is not possible with monolithic approach. So this is the first issue. Second issue is that suppose developer has done some changes with the login feature of the application. So that might be possible your other coding of the application gets affected as the codes are interlinked or complex with each other. Might be you will start getting the errors. So here, if you are doing any changes with respect to the code at one feature of the application, might be it is going to affect the other features because it's a single coding is here and designing is very complex and difficult to execute. So these are the issues. Also, high availability was not possible with monolithic approach of writing the code. So these issues have been fixed by introducing the microservices. So monolithic has been replaced with microservices. Micro means many small services. So friend, that's all for this lecture. In the next lecture, I will discuss about the microservices.